Hi everyone! I've actually just completed my first year at Duke's Fuqua School of Business, which has been my dream school for so long, and I can't thank Applicant Lab enough. So thank you, and thank you, Maria. This program was so helpful to me. I think early on in the application process, I felt like I could definitely get by just reading different blogs that I found on the internet and asking friends and family for help on my applications. But I soon found that I ran into a lot of specific questions that I wasn't really able to get the best answers to until I found Applicant Lab. Essentially, how Applicant Lab works is it helps you kind of gather all the pieces of your story to ultimately come up with kind of the key things about you that you want to share and really pass through to the admissions officers at your different schools. And I felt like I was really able to hone my story and also kind of craft my resume, talk to my recommenders about things that they should and shouldn't include. And I also really came to understand two key weaknesses that I had in the application process and learned how to properly address those rather than kind of avoiding them or hiding things under the rug. So yeah, just for all these different reasons, I have so many good things to say about Applicant Lab. Maria is really an expert with so many years of experience, and I think that any questions you come across and any prep you need with interviews and resumes, essays, this is really the program that'll get it all done for you at a really great price. So thanks again, Applicant Lab. Go Blue Devils!